Hello, I found this beautiful software on the internet. This is called Voyager. Before I open it, I'll show you this is my observatory. Sorry, this is my observatory. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is just open the software and control a few things in here. Problem is the windows are big, so the resolution doesn't help too much, but I'm gonna try. I have a software to control power on my roll of roof, my mount, my cooler of the camera, the fan of the primary mirror. I can open the roof from here, I can power on the focuser, the heater, and close the roof. And as you can see, I have sensors, and the status of the roof at the moment is roof closed. Okay, I'm gonna open this beautiful software. Sadly, I can't do imaging today because weather's not helping, but I just wanted to show off a little bit. This software is on beta version. There is not even documentation on English, only on Italian. If you go to the setup, you can set up all your gear in here. Camera, the mount. At the moment I'm using a beautiful friction drive mount from Mesu. Guiding, planetarium software, plate solve software, autofocus application, which is developed by the same person who created this software using artificial intelligence. Rotator, I don't have rotator. Flat device, I have a flat device, Arduino flat device. Viking is a software he also uses to control ASCON switches. He's gonna make all the changes so he can drive my Dragonfly. My observatory, weather, these are my settings for weather. These are the settings I don't want it to care about. These are the settings to tell the system that it's alright to go on. This is to suspend the imaging. This software can also re-engage the imaging after it goes to OK, or finish the session at all. What I'm gonna do now is connect to everything. Hopefully it will work. Let's see. So it's opening. This is the driver for the mount, and the mount
lost communication with SciTech.
The mount doesn't have power. That's why it say that. So it will keep connecting to the rest. It connects to cards to see if you want to use it as a planetarium software, and that's it. I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna the image here so we can see what's going on. This software, I don't want that. This software really, I like it. I can control all my gear, my mounting here, my camera in there, guiding, focusing, flat device. As you can see, my flat device is here, so I can set light on and it will turn on my flat device. I can increase the brightness, or I can just go down. Okay. The observatory, as you can see, it says it's closed. Here in the Dragonfly controllers, I have the power on the roll of roof. Only thing I have to do is click open, and as you can see, we'll open the roof. Hopefully it's not raining. I don't think so. And as soon as it opens, it will report open in this area, and then we're gonna close it because I don't want my roof open today. So it did, it says open, so now I'm gonna order the system to close. And as you can see, it should be closing the roof at the moment. Right? And what's blinking here, it's the log of the Dragonfly telling me it received commands to open to close the roof, right? As you can see, it reports closing here and close on the system, so everything works perfect. The driver works really nice. Okay. So this is what I have at the moment. This is my setup with this software. The software, after it's connected, you click in status in here and then you see all the data, the operation that's been doing, the autofocus routine happening, the cooler guiding stats, the target. In this case, the weather says suspend, so this is data coming from the Cloud Watcher. If I go here to on the fly, I can set up my sequence, my automatic flats. If I go to my sequence, you can check that I can tick off this one and say I want lights, I want red filter, the exposure time, how many times it's gonna take that photo. Here I can find my target. Sorry, I can go here, M8, fine. It finds the target and it gives me a beautiful graph of rising time and rise time, transit and set. I can use this target straight from there, and I can set up the rest of my imaging, the cooling, what's gonna happen when it starts, if it's gonna run a script, if it's gonna wait, a lot of settings. It's really complete. And you can also use a powerful feature on this software, which is called drag script. Drag script is sorry, it's a script editor with drag and drop. At the moment, for example, he has a sequence robot that looks like that. This was created only by getting parts of these functions over here and dragging them in this other part. Okay. This software is being used with this script power to chase asteroids or to do data collection, program data collection, different stars. There is no limit to what this thing can do. I'm learning this part at the moment, so very soon I will come with something about this. This is all I have to show at the moment. As soon as I find out more about this, I will come back. Thank you so much.